The key factor that made me choose for this business school was definitely the interactive part of the course.
The reason that made me come to EU Business School was the hands-on experience and international environment that the school provides, as well as the fast-track option to complete my studies in a faster pace.
Our bachelor programs offer core courses which prepare students in general business management subjects while they go deeper into the specialization of their choice. The length of our bachelor program is 3 years. For students who are keen to move on to their professional project sooner, the fast-track summer option is the best alternative.
Inter-campus exchange was really quite a big factor for me, so the option to go from Barcelona to Munich to Geneva is just incredible.
The students don't just sit around memorising theory at EU. Here students learn through doing, and they tackle real-life business scenarios hands-on, looking at case studies, consultancy projects and business simulations.
The classes are very engaging and our professor has quite a unique experience as working professionally with what they're teaching.
The high quality of teaching approach and innovative methodologies we use have been awarded by QS among others.
We have a packed calendar of guest speaker events here at EU Business School where global leaders come and share their experiences with our students. So when these industry experts come and visit and talk to our students, they not only talk in front of the students, but students are invited to ask them questions and engage in debate with them. So they get real personal experience with them. As well as that, students can count on the guidance of their student counsellors, who help them to navigate throughout their journey at EU Business School.
The faculty and staff are really good. It really helped me to integrate, and not even only that, also their career advisors are really good. It really gives me a good idea of what I want to do later and what I'm able to do now to be able to achieve that.